So the next thing we're going to do is create blog articles, and we do that to make sure that we have fresh content on our website. And search engines like Google, Bing, and other search engines will recognize when you have new blog content or blog posts because they are reading a sitemap and they index your site. They will crawl your website in search for new pages or new information or new blog articles in this case. And by creating valuable content, we are adding value to our website, to our potential visitors, to our potential customers. Because if you write blog content like tutorials or blog content where you give good tips, or for example, if you would write a blog about making milkshakes, for example, with good recipes, that's what people are looking for on Google. So if they are looking for a milkshake recipe, for example, they could type in the search phrase or search words like banana milkshake, or how to make a banana milkshake without sugar, or how to make a banana milkshake fat-free. And if you would have those keywords, or if you would have those keywords in your article, people will eventually find your website and will find your blog articles. And the best thing about writing good content, valuable content, is if someone would find it in the search engine and would click on your blog post and will come to your website, there will be other blog posts already, probably, if you really do some blog article writing like we do, because we love to create valuable content and share it with other people. And it also helps for SEO, search engine optimization, and it eventually will help you to get higher results in Google, Bing, and other search engines. So if you would like to create a blog post in WordPress, you can go to Posts, and then you can click on Add New. You can enter the title right here. And what you can do, because we have Astra installed, we can disable the title and disable the breadcrumb. Now, if we would like to add this blog article to a category, we can click on Add New Category right here, and we can call this one, for example, Cybersecurity. Then we click on Add New Category. Then we can click on Publish. So this will publish the blog post already. And what we're going to do now is we're going to use Elementor to edit the blog, post. So we can make a section right here. And what we can do now is we can make a heading text right here. Oh, there, yeah. And then we take the text editor and place it under there. Now for this you can use the title of the blog post. And I already made a blog, so I'm going to paste the text right in here. And this is a blog that we created on our own website, Ecom Academy, and it was a nice example to show you right here how you can make a blog post. That's what this is all about. So you can see I wrote an article about how to secure your website for free with Cloudflare, and yeah, basically it tells it has some information about attackers, what a WASP top 10 is, for example, Cloudflare, what Cloudflare is, and where Cloudflare is used, which companies use it. And then we have 5 firewall rules that you can implement into Cloudflare if you would have a Cloudflare account. And we can go further into detail by adding media like screenshots of how you could implement those firewalls, for example. But if you would be making blog posts about milkshakes, for example, you can make a picture when you when you just made a milkshake. You can make a picture with your smartphone and then place the picture into this blog post, and you will have your own media, your own picture that you can use for your article. If you would be making a blog post about banana milkshakes, for example. So here we have the example of an article on how to secure your website for free with Cloudflare. You can see I made a bunch of links in here. So if you would click a link here, you can actually see the link. And by clicking on the pencil here, you can eventually see the link options. And what we're going to do, because we don't want visitors to leave our page but stay on our page, what you can do with inserting links is that you can click this one, open link in a new tab. And that will, when a visitor will click on this link, it will open in a new tab, and the visitor will stay on your website, and eventually will come back to your website or your blog article to finish reading it. But the most important thing is never link directly to a website, but always have it open in a new window, so visitors will stay on your website. So then you click on update, and you can see we made a beautiful blog post here with Elementor, and you can easily go, you click on the hamburger menu and click on view page. And I will show you what I meant with linking, making a link and make sure it opens in a new tab here. So if I would click this link, it will now open in a new tab. And this link, I just left it on purpose like this, but if you would click this link, it will go to the website directly where you are linking to. That's not what you want, probably, because you want the visitor to stay on your page, reading your blog article, or do other stuff, or shop for teddy bears, for example, if you would have a shop here. And that's why I mentioned that if you would insert links into your article, always make sure that you open it in a new tab, that it will open in a new window or tab like this. Alright, so we showed you how you can make a blog post, how you can insert links to create backlinks to other websites, and now we're going to show you how you can do SEO, because that's very important, right? So we are now ready for the SEO part. If you would have your blog article right here, you can scroll down, and here you will see rank math SEO part. So this is where rank math comes in, and you can optimize your blog article by doing SEO. So what is doing SEO means? First of all, we're going to select a keyword. Oh, I think Cloudflare is a better one, because you should look at your article. We can have a peek right here, and you will see that Cloudflare will actually pop up a few times. So that's good, because what you want is a focus keyword which will pop up a couple times in your article. So we are taking Cloudflare as a keyword right now, and you can already see the SEO score. It's already up to 69 out of 100, so that's very good. And over here you can see basic SEO, and you can see for all these things how you are doing. Content is only 348 words for this article, and they are actually advising you to write articles that are 600 words or more. But that's okay. It's not a deal breaker. This post is pillar content. You can click the question mark here, and then it will explain to you what it means. Select one or more pillar content posts. For each post, tag or category to show them in the link suggestions meta box. So for example, if you would do a very long article about how to make milkshakes that are fat-free, doesn't contain sugar, for example, and you're making a long article with a lot of paragraphs and titles for the paragraphs, you can consider checking this box here, because that could mean it's a very important article for your website, and it holds valuable content or information for visitors who will read that blog post. So I'm not going to do that right now, because this is not a very long article. But if I would have a long article about what website security is, how attackers can scan your website, how you can protect your website, I could make a lot of different paragraphs, for example, with titles above the paragraphs. And if I would give really good tips and a tutorial on how you can secure your website, then you can click this checkbox right here. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to edit the snippet. And what you want to do is make a very good description about the article, what it's about. And you want to use your keyword at least 2 times in the description. I would use it 2 times in the description. So you could type here, in this blog article we will show you how to protect your website for free with Cloudflare. You can set up free firewall rules to secure the website. So what you have to pay attention for is that you are exactly at 160 characters for the description or below that. So make a good description with maximum 160 characters. I nailed it, and I did it so to speak. So we can click on update, and you can see the SEO score is now 69. And I have to tell you honestly, this is okay, but it's not. It could be better, but a better SEO score will come with longer articles, good keywords or good keywords, and yeah, that's what really is. That's what really or is going to help your SEO score. You can enter multiple keywords here. So for example, if you would mention website here, now this one will turn red, so that's actually not a really good example. You can see it right away, and you can click, you can delete it right there by clicking on the X. So let's keep it at this, and we are happy with our 69 score out of 100. And if you would go to all posts, you can see the SEO details right here. 69 out of 100. Keyword is Cloudflare. The schema is article. It means that Rank Math sees this as an article, which is correct, of course, because it's a blog post. Here it says how many links are in the article. It's 11 external links. You can see it by this icon here. And that's very good, because you just created 11 backlinks to other websites. So if you go to categories, you will see the category that's created already, and you can click on edit. And what I would advise you to do is to make use of Rank Math and really use categories and describe the category. So if you would add a snippet right here, or you can type in description right here. Wait. Yeah, so it will take it from the description. So you can type in here so you make a description. If you would type it right there, you will see that it will appear up here, and it does have the keywords because we set the focus keyword right here, cybersecurity. We just took the name of the category right here and we made it the focus keyword, and I will close the editor here, and we made a description for the category, which also includes the focus keyword. And now you will see the score. Let's see, where is it? Right here. You will see you get 100 out of 100, so you can click update. Then you can go back to categories by clicking the link here. And now you see it has a description, and you are helping your SEO with this because you provided a description for the category. And I would suggest doing this for every blog category that you are inserting right here. And I'm gonna show you another trick. So if you are building a store and you would have categories, you can add categories right here. For example, let's use the teddy bear example. And then you can click add new category. You will see a description right here. And if you would click on edit, you can click update. Okay. So this also will help your SEO score because you provided a description for the category. And you can also upload a picture, which also helps because it, the category will get a product image tied to the category, and search engines will index all this information, which helps improve the SEO for your website. So if we would start a product. Create a product, you will see the same actually as you saw in the blog post. I'm just gonna small teddy bear. I'm just gonna create a really quick product right here with single line description. We sell beautiful small teddy bears for all ages. Now I will copy this. I would recommend doing different product descriptions. I will show you why in a couple of seconds. Because this is the long description. This is the short description you will see on top, and you want to make sure it's unique. It's unique text. I'm just showing to you how to create a product. And okay, we take this category right here, then we say publish. And the main thing I want to show you is how to do SEO for your products. So you would take the keyword, and reload it. You would take the keyword small teddy bears. So you can put this as the keyword, as the focus keyword right here, and you can also add the snippet if you would like, but this is perfectly okay. We sell beautiful small teddy bears for all ages. So your focus keyword is already coming back one time in the description, so that's good. And basically you can follow the pointers right here to make the product description even better and really improve the SEO for your products. So your product will be found on Google and other search engines, and this will be what it looks like. So this would be obviously my WordPress would be your company name, and over here this would be the product name. So I showed you today how you can make blog posts, how you can improve your SEO for blog posts, how you can optimize categories for your blog posts, how you can optimize categories for the store, for your store, and how you can optimize SEO for the products that you are creating within your store, and to make sure that rank math helps you to really make those products be found easier in search engines. And this will really improve your SEO. Rank math is very powerful, and if you are doing SEO right, then you will get absolutely amazing results. So by showing you how to do this, you will become a SEO specialist in time. If you are doing this for the first time, don't worry. It just takes a little practice how to make a good product description, or make a good blog post with good keywords and good content and valuable content. And if you do that, if you stick to that, then you will have success eventually. So you can click on update to save changes. That's it. And by showing you how to do this, we showed you how to really use SEO in a good way. And for one last tip, you might be seduced by using automatic product descriptions generators or article generators. Please don't do that, because Google is very smart. Not only Google, but also Bing, other search engines. They are very smart, so they will actually they will notice when you are when you use the block generator, for example, or an article rewriter. So please don't do that. I'm just helping you out by saying this. Yes, it is a lot of work to create a product description on your own, or create good blog articles. I know it takes a lot of time writing good blog articles, but please take the time. If you probably have at least 1 hour a week where you can make one good blog post. If you take the time for it, schedule it, and even if it's one blog post a week, you are still adding content to your website, and that's the main thing. That's the most important thing for your website, that you will have regular, fresh content, make backlinks, add value to your website, but also to the visitors who will come to your website, and it helps SEO. So your website will become popular, and people will find it by certain key phrases or search terms they are using in a search engine. And this is how you actually build up your website and get great results, and hopefully you will end up on page number 1 of Google or Bing or one other search engine. That's the goal, right?